I would never. I'm a professional. You, on the other hand, when you fucking fling that thing around, like, it goes. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've been fishing with you, and a whole setup just flew right past my head.
Yeah, because it was your fault.
What? Oh. I'm not talking about the rod and reel.
Oh, one time.
Yeah. I'm not talking about that.
Oh.
I'm talking about how many times I just saw you go, whoo, and then I just see a fucking purple worm fly past my face. So many times.
Yeah, a few times. It's happened before.
It happened today.
You're right.
The problem is for traumatic events, I usually block them out. It's one of my coping mechanisms, so I forgot about it.
My coping mechanism. Oh,
Some water in there.
yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
We'll go over here.
Over here?
Yeah.
Pick it up onto the dock and just tip it over.
Yeah, I mean,
Nothing will go wrong.
I mean, in theory, it sounds excellent.
Nah, I think we'll be fine. I'm very strong today.
Me too.
Okay.
Just, yeah, this thing is gonna fall out.
Felon. Oh, it's hooked on a lip there.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Maybe this was the best.
Pull it. Come up.
Up?
Push this down.
Yeah. We're not heavy enough.
Hold on a minute.
Okay, yeah.
There's no way. Oh, that's
Actually,
we're gonna pull this out. Ready?
yeah. Actually, hang on, please.
Cheryl Peckham's gonna message us about this
You're
one.
gonna love this one. Shout out, Cheryl.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you dumb boy.
Go over here. Not as high.
Okay. Well, then hold it.
Yeah, I got it.
Single boat.
Yeah.
Of course.
The water is literally going in the back.
This is a good start to the season. Ready?
Yeah, of course.
1, 2. No.
Alright.
Hold on. Don't let it go.
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
It'll be fine,
Okay.
Maybe not.
Yeah. It's gonna be. If this thing goes under, I'm leaving because it's embarrassing.
Oh,
This ain't gonna work. Here's the worst part about this. Like, if we video it, it's whatever. If there's somebody videoing us, this is bad.
Alright.
How did you let this happen to us?
I don't know, but here, let's do this.
Yeah. All right, brother. I'll see you later. Oh my God. How does this happen to us every time? I'm starting to think we're not smart, dude.
Yeah, well, I mean...
Maybe we shouldn't do this. Fish, I mean.
Yeah.
Damn. No. It's a fence.
I know, I'm just trying to get it before we go sideways with it.
To here, but you got this post here.
That's okay. Or this way.
No.
That way?
Yeah. No, I didn't mean that.
Oh, yeah.
No.
It's not gonna work?
I mean, it got a lot worse.
Yeah.
That was crazy. I thought you meant up here and then tilt it.
You're off. Oh, shit. I want the hook on here
Uh-huh.
so it'll stop it.
Okay, I see.
Know what I mean?
It's no, but because it's not above the water over here, so it won't work. So if we got it over here,
Yeah.
wedged it up here, and then turned it where above the water. And I don't even know if that'll work, but
Probably not.
that's a big old spider, so this thing's gonna have to sink.
Oh, like that? That's it? Okay, that's not working. Okay. That's fair.
I have another idea.
Okay.
Do you have a pump?
I could be out of phone. Yeah.
And then try not to let it back in. Here we go, I'll do it. You know, I was like, oh, we'll do a video, it's gonna be fun. Because I wasn't gonna do a video, because it's fishing. So maybe I'll do a video to be able to fish together in a while. And then I'm driving, I'm like, maybe I'll do a quick intro. I'm like, yeah, you know what? I think the intro will just happen. Anyway, white shirts, classic shirts, beer restock. We got these hats, certified pine records, cold records hats, got the Scoop Valley. What do you want me to do with this? Back it up, then you pull it forward towards me. Serious. And anyway, hooks that are dye shirts, white shirts, classic shirts, hooks that for everybody. Might be out by the time this video comes out.
Hey. It's gonna be, don't, obviously can't fill it up, it'd be heavy, but.
Yep. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah.
Why don't we just fucking float? Let's just float in the trash can. Let's just go fish in the trash can. Because that's what the fuck we are. Dude, this is what it's like to grow up on a lake house. Hoity-toity.
Yeah.
I got to at least show him that I just found this pump. Yo, Drew. Hey, look what I have.
Oh shit, huh?
A pump. We could have pumped the boat.
That's good.
Nah.
Back at it again.
Do me a favor.
Yes, sir.
You get in there first.
Okay. To help you with?
No, I just want to see how. Very smooth, kid. So aside from the hour ordeal that we just had to overcome, I think we're living and we're learning, brother.
Yeah, we always are. We always are. Unfortunately.
Yeah, that's all right. Like I said, I was out there fishing with Bobby and Sean, and like, oh, of course. And you know, even a slow day, I got one nice fat-headed catfish. Bobby got that nice smallie, and I just say, even though that was like, you know, kind of an uneventful day, fishing wise, in the words of Cody, you know, to wax philosophical, I think, you know, one day you look back, these are the best days ever.
Yeah.
I mean, look how often we talk about just some of the goofy trips just from last year alone.
Right.
We got a lifetime of this. Let's go. I mean, look how this just started. It's the first outing of the year, bro.
Make a movie out of us.
Pickerel?
Yeah.
Hey, dude.
Go in the boat.
Gotta get the skunk out of the boat. I'm cool with it. Oh, that splatter plate, the splatter bait. All right.
Okay.
All right. Hey, something. Going fishing for 5 minutes, so I'm okay with a pickerel first. She gone.
One.
I swear to God, I was just thinking that.
Not even me yet. Both of us are throwing whoppers flopping.
I was just thinking that when I heard yours plopping. I'm like, what the f are we doing? Only gonna take one to make it make sense, though.
Alright, we hit the weeds, so now a worm?
Of course.
A worm, of course. See if anyone's asking the same thing.
Come on.
That one?
Yeah, a little pickerel, I think.
Alright. There you go. Oh, there it goes.
She gone.
She going.
Was chasing it. Damien, that don't count.
No.
Actually, yeah, that was good. Now, Damien, let me tell you something, man. These things look sharp, brother. Ron.
Yeah?
Yep. Bass.
Let's go.
Little guy.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Little guy.
Yeah, let me see.
No.
Yeah. This is it right here. This is it.
Well, that's just because that's all you can throw back here.
Right. There we go. Yeah, boy.
On the whopper flopper.
Pickerel smacked it.
On the whopper.
The pickerel smacked it. Let's go, baby. Okay. Let's go over here because you're going to flop yourself off.
Now, here's the problem I have. Is that enough for me to pick my whopper flopper? The wrong species.
All right,
But
buddy.
I like the blow up.
Smacked it.
Yeah, dude. I heard that shit. Got me excited. We're closer to that island than a few. I just wanted to try it out here. I just missed. Oh no, I got him. Little fish, yeah. I was gonna say I just missed one, but it's gotta be a pickerel. Yeah. Come on, come off, you prick. Got him. Perch.
There you go. Got some more.
Got lucky I don't eat them. I'm in the mood after yesterday for fish tacos too. Not today. Oops.
Not today. Staying on though.
Yeah, do you want to come?
How you doing?
On your business.
Well, you're staring at her. So
Yeah, but still, dude, don't worry about what he's doing. Worry about what we're doing. We need a giant, brother.
I don't care what he's doing.
Little pickerel maybe. Yeah, I'm just twisting it around. Golly. Dude, you know what's crazy? This jerkbait kind of looks like a pickerel. That's cannibalism, dude. These pickerel, that's what type of life they live. Eating their own. You people are sick. Fucking odd. On. Pickerel.
That thing is slaying them, huh?
Pickerel. On. Pickerel. God dang, dude. You gotta be kidding me. On.
There you go.
A bass!
There you go.
A bass! Dude.
Let's see this thing too.
That guy doesn't. Yes.
Something. Small.
Oh, wow.
I lost it. It's off.
No, you
Yeah,
didn't.
I did. Oh, no, I didn't.
It's a pickerel. Yeah, so maybe it's not the bait. Right? Some long ass ugly dog. Another pickerel. See? Another. Oh, good one. It's a giant pickerel, actually.
Is it?
Yeah. Giant. No, it's a bass. Is it a giant pickerel or a bass? Yeah, it's a giant pickerel.
Huge picture. Yeah.
You don't have a net, right?
Nope.
Ah, I don't want to break this off. Damn it.
Let's see. Get it over here. Giant.
Let's let him tire himself out.
What's it on?
Jerk bait.
This one.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Let's see.
Don't pull the line.
No, just trying to hold it. There's one right here. Yeah, flip off it. It's
Oh.
high.
Hold on.
Yeah, flip it around.
Jesus. That's a giant, huh?
Now I should stop this shot.
Dude, that's a huge pickerel. I saw the tail for a second. I'm like, yeah, it's a pickerel. Then the way it went side and then came back up, I'm like, holy shit, this could be a good bass. But then I saw it.
Huge.
Took it right at the boat, of course. Okay. Grab this bad boy. This one.
Oh, I'm hooking my thumb.
No, yeah, there you go. Oh. Chill, bro. Chill. You got him.
There we go.
Thank you, brother. Most of that came out anyway.
Huh?
I said look at those teeth, dude. Holy crap, look at those teeth. Guys, look at those teeth. Yikes.
Want to see that thing?
Hold up, let's get this out. There you go. Pop that shit. Oh, poor guy. Massive predator fish, brother. Jesus.
Damn. That's huge.
It's a big one.
Catch.
Get that. Whoa. Tail. Everything bloody, huh? All right. She gone.
Damn. Huge.
Please hang up and try again.